equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely and effectively remove the LCD cover without damaging any components. First, power off your HP 16 laptop and disconnect it from any power source. This is crucial to prevent any electrical damage during the process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to avoid any scratches or damage. Now, locate the screws securing the LCD cover. Typically, there are 4 to 6 screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Remember, it's important to keep track of which screws go where, as they may vary in size. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the LCD cover. Start at one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could crack the cover. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. After successfully removing the LCD cover, you'll have access to the internal components of your laptop. This is a great opportunity to clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other components. Keeping your laptop clean can significantly improve its performance and longevity. If you're unsure about performing this maintenance yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assess your laptop and provide you with the best options moving forward. Once you've completed the cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Carefully align the LCD cover back onto the device, ensuring that all clips are securely in place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them gently to avoid stripping. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This means you don't have to worry about transporting your laptop to a repair shop. Our service is designed for your convenience, with no calls and no travel required. After securing the LCD cover, power on your laptop to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Check the display and any other components you may have accessed during the process. If you notice any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Finally, if you need a quote before repair, we can provide that as well. It's always good to know the costs upfront, so you can make an informed decision about your laptop's maintenance. Regular upkeep can save you from more significant issues down the line, so don't neglect it. By following these steps, you can successfully remove the LCD cover of your HP 16 laptop and perform essential maintenance. Remember, taking care of your device is key to its performance and longevity. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.